You can have yellow. Oh, just watch semis. There you go, Jack. Oh, you tried the slam dunk, Jack. You tried the slam dunk, but it didn't work that time. Samantha can do the slam dunk. Here you go, Jack. You take that one. What are you going to do with it?